Hello, my name is Yurisoida Pardo Guevara. My group is 11. For this activity, I choose the software book. Technical description. Comprehensive people management software that brings together all human resources in one place. Book is the system that offers you support in people management, employee portal, remunerations, assistance, selection, performance, organization climate, benefits, electronic signature, analytics, and workflow. Prices and payment terms. A small cost 18,000 for 1 to 40 employees. Medium 13,000 for 41 to 250 employees. Large cost 9,500 for 251 to 500 employees. Excel cost 8,000 for 501 to 1,000 employees, and Enterprise is for more than 1,000 employees. The charge is monthly for each employee. The values are in Chile currency. Pre-implementation, training and after-sales support. Basic test for 1 month has a cost of $15. Other information of interest. This is human resource software capable of centralizing a large part of an organization task, optimizing time in aspects that are generally divided by workers, with different Excel files or even in traditional handwriting notebooks. According to his calculation, his system allows time savings of close to 50% in the calculation of remuneration. Conclusion. Currently in Colombia, it is easy to quickly and safely access the markets to make software purchases. There are a variety of supplies and solutions designed to supply the organization needs, hiding to the support of the providers by many means of communication, thanks to current technology. Thank you.